sudden it did see it, and it pretty much flew up the tree.
And
It was really kind of funny. It was like these little, two little dots.
who's looking at that squirrel? Gizmo. Oh, you're done looking at that squirrel. So it was.
They were chasing. They were so fast it looked like little blurs running around the oak tree, and then they ended up going into the neighbor's yard.
She's a hungry mama. I wonder how many babies. Oops. She's going up the raccoon. Same to that.